I've always known that I wanted to do something relating to STEM since I was very little. I was very fortunate actually to have been born on the space coast of Florida. So I would watch the NASA shuttle launches. You can think of the Challenger and Endeavour missions actually from my backyard, surrounded by this defense space STEM culture. It was really ingrained in our community and it rubbed off on me early on. And while at UF, I was very lucky and fortunate to participate in these internships at Northrop Grumman, NASA, the Stanford startup, and then go on to University of Michigan, Cornell University, and then now the defense industry. You get to do amazing things. Like I met the CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, when I was in the streets of Palo Alto in the Bay Area, and then also the iconic hidden figure, Katherine Johnson, NASA hidden figure, really historied when I was at NASA, and I consider myself very fortunate. And, I was considering careers in academia, industry, and all the above until I found the defense industry to really connect a lot of my passions. What really drew me to UF just is that very unique combination of rigor. So there's a lot of prestige associated with UF, but also personability. So, at least during my experience, just being able to go up to a professor and asking them questions about, can I be able to engage with their research group? Could I be able to look into different internship opportunities? And I think that intermixing and that really, really unique blend of ease of access and personability and that true care, and then connected with that prestige and external opportunities has really helped me to grow significantly in my career. I personally would not want to attend or have attended any other institution to grow because I'm a very different person than I was when I first came to UF, because really I had no idea fully about what would be possible until after I met, connected with the students, did all of these very exciting internship experiences. Engineers can be seen as the world's innovative problem solvers. We really want to step in and try to help solve the problems at hand. And I think it's quite inspiring. And engineering really provides, especially from UF, that skill set to be able to implement a tangible way to create meaning, value, and purpose in one's life and work contributions through giving back to society at large.